Well, I dragged this old fossil out of my shed there. It's been soaking in diesel fuel for about 3 years now. It's, as my friend at Glen Burnie Sales used to say, Gord there, she sees tighter than a popcorn fart. And this one definitely is. That's why I had it sitting in the diesel. I don't know if it's done much good, but so this is the famous 1967 Subterranean engine. I believe it was sitting in a swamp or moss or something, because it was buried and water was in the cylinder, and as you can see, it's eroded the aluminum around the exhaust intake rather severely there. So basically, without some serious aluminum welding and machining, it would never run again. But I'm going to try to make a quick repair to get it going with the handyman's secret weapon number 2, JB Weld. So, see a lot of pitting on the intake valve too. But I wanted to save this engine. A lot of you just think, oh, that's just a piece of crap, throw it away. But it's a unique one here. It's the only one I've got with this funky airfoil shape intake on it there. As I say, I believe it's a 1967 Briggs. 3.5 horse, I'd assume, from the intake configuration there. But she's seized up tight. I haven't even been able to get the cover off it there. But other than that, it's not damaged per se. Like, it's not, you know, pieces broken off it with a sledgehammer or anything. So I think I can probably salvage it for a quick run. But it's a little harder to figure out things to do this time of year when you got snow like this, and we've been getting kind of clobbered this winter. Between the stretch of 2 weeks there, it was give or take minus 20s Celsius or 0 or below Fahrenheit. So it's been kind of a tough winter, and it's not over yet since we're only, you know, not even quite to mid-January yet. But anyway, believe it or not, most of this grass was bare yesterday. We had a couple days of rain that melted it right off, except the big snow banks. And then yesterday it turned to freezing rain, and then dropped the temperature down to about minus 10 Fahrenheit, and we got 8 inches of snow. That's why I got my snowblower out there. There's that one I rescued from the scrapyard. It's resting comfortably on the lawn there. But as you can see, the sunlight today, anything that's black melts the snow off, like my engine frame there for the straight 8 or a tire. It all melts the snow. I turned my focus around in the driveway because the inside of the windshield was all iced up on it, so I just let the sun do its job and roll the windows down, let the water out of the inside of the car, and it's all good now too. So, but anyway, just wanted to fill everybody in on my next project there, the 67 Subterranean Briggs. I'll try to get a short run out of it with a JB welded up block there. We'll see what it does. Of course, I've got to unseize the piston and all that first, so I got some fun times ahead on this one.